Okay, so with this MEM show, it comes with this cover. So I'm going to cover this side, and cover this side as well. Okay, so this is very nice. This is very special and unique about MEM show. Okay, then I'll go ahead and fix this cover here. Okay, so the cover is well fitted. Then okay, so I'm going over to fix this here. Alright. Okay, so one more thing is there's some kind of a door lock to this. I'll just go over to fix it here. So the idea is you'll be able to lock it or lock it with this thing. This. And so now everything is, you see, it's everything is nicely fitted. Everything is nicely fitted. Fitted. So I'll go over this consumer unit. Come over this particular consumer unit or distribution board. So you see, it's EATON Electric Limited, Manchester. That's their address, M24 1GQ, United Kingdom. So this is actually a very good brand, EATON MEM show, and actually it's this particular brand is produced in the United Kingdom, that's in Europe. And so there's a very high quality brand that is even used in the United States of America, Canada, etc. So meaning this particular brand will have a very large coverage, or it's used in other advanced countries. So that's it has a list number here, maximum rating, that's 125 amps, and that's 115 volts AC. its load here, manufacturer code, routine test, etc. So there's a very high quality distribution board. So comparing this, so it says this EATON MEM show 3. So comparing this to, you lock it nicely, and when you want to have access to it, you just open it. So comparing this to the Havel's distribution board or consumer unit that you use, which one do you think is highly recommended? With this one, the only thing that has to do with its negativity is the price, and the price is really huge. That is twice the amount of money that you use to buy a Havel's